This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your card at a gas pump. First, pull up to the pump and make sure your vehicle's fuel tank is on the correct side. Before you even touch the card reader, decide which type of fuel you need, such as regular, mid-grade, or premium. Then, simply insert your credit or debit card into the designated slot on the pump. The screen will then guide you through entering your personal identification number or your billing zip code to authorize the transaction. Once your card is authorized, the pump will prompt you to select your fuel grade. Look for the buttons labeled with different octane levels, typically 87, 89, or 93. After selecting, remove the nozzle from its cradle and firmly place it into your car's fuel tank opening. Squeeze the handle to start the flow of gasoline. Most pumps have a latch to hold the handle open, allowing for hands-free fueling until your tank is full or your pre-authorized amount is reached. The pump will automatically stop dispensing fuel once your tank is full or when it reaches the pre-authorized limit, which is often around $75 to $100. Once the flow stops, carefully remove the nozzle from your vehicle's tank and place it back into its designated holder on the pump. The screen will then ask if you'd like a receipt. You can usually choose to print one or decline it, depending on your preference for record keeping. Sometimes, you might encounter a few hiccups. If your card is declined, double-check that you've entered your PIN or zip code correctly. You might also try a different card or pay inside with the attendant. Always ensure your card is inserted completely into the reader. If the pump isn't working or you have any questions, look for a help button on the screen or simply go inside the station to speak with an employee for assistance. They are there to help you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.